Okay, so if you run a small business, you know the feeling, right? Managing the finances can seriously feel like a full-time job all by itself. I mean, you're trying to grow, you're trying to innovate, serve your customers, but you keep getting stuck in spreadsheets and bookkeeping. The big companies, they have a secret weapon for this, a chief financial officer. But what if you could get that same high-level expertise without that crazy six-figure price tag? Well, let's dive in. So let's just start with a question. How much do you think it actually costs to have a real financial strategist on your team? We're not talking about just a bookkeeper, but someone who can give you that forward-looking intelligence to guide your big decisions. Go on, take a guess. $200,000 a year. Yep, that is the typical price for a traditional, experienced CFO. It's a pretty staggering number, and for most entrepreneurs, that isn't just a hurdle, it's a brick wall. It means that whole level of strategic insight is just completely out of reach. And this right here, this is the heart of the problem. That six-figure salary means professional financial strategy is off the table, leaving you, the owner, to pretty much fend for yourself. And that creates this huge gap between what the big corporations have and what small businesses are left trying to figure out on their own. This is what we call the 200K dilemma. So let's break down what it really means, the real-world consequences of being on the wrong side of that financial gap. Let's look at this on a monthly basis. Just a bookkeeper can run you over $3,000 a month. A full-on CFO, you're looking at over $16,000 every single month. That is a massive, ongoing financial weight that most small businesses just can't carry. So what ends up happening? We fall into the DIY finance trap. You find yourself wasting 10+ hours every single week on financial admin. But honestly, the real cost is what you don't see. It's the critical insights that get missed, getting hit with those sudden cash flow shortages that come out of nowhere, and making accounting mistakes that can be incredibly expensive to fix down the line. But what if there was a way to get all of that high-level intelligence without the six-figure price tag? This is where technology really changes the game. It's time to meet your new AI-powered CFO. And here it is, Personal CFO. So what is it? It's an AI-powered platform with one clear mission: to bring that enterprise-grade financial intelligence, the kind Fortune 500 companies have, and make it totally accessible and affordable for small businesses like yours. And the best part? It's not complicated at all. It's really just a simple three-step process. First, you securely connect your financial accounts. Second, you let the AI do all the heavy lifting, all the categorizing and analyzing. And then, step 3, you immediately start getting those CFO-level insights that help you run your business way smarter. All right, so how does it actually do all this? Let's pop the hood and take a look at the core intelligence and automation features that make this whole thing possible. The AI is the real game changer here. It gives you smart expense categorization, so you can finally say goodbye to all that manual data entry. With receipt scanning, you literally just snap a photo and the AI pulls out all the key info. And maybe the most powerful part, it uses machine learning to look at your history and actually predict your future cash flow. Now, that's not just bookkeeping, that's foresight. And all of that amazing intelligence gets distilled into an executive-level dashboard. This means you get your key performance indicators, your trends, your business's financial health, all in real time, all in a single glance. This is how you start spotting opportunities and problems before they happen. And this automation is built on a rock-solid, super secure foundation. It uses Plaid, that's the same tech a lot of major banks use, to connect to over 11,000 financial institutions, so your data is always synced up. It automatically generates those critical reports like your P&L and balance sheet. And get this, it even lets you manage multiple businesses or LLCs from one single unified dashboard. Okay, this all sounds great in theory, right? But the real question is, does it actually work out in the real world? Well, let's look at the proof from over 500 businesses that have already made the switch. We're talking more than 500 active businesses right now who are using and trusting Personal CFO to manage their finances. So this isn't some brand new experiment. It's a proven platform with a really strong community of users. And hey, remember that $200,000 CFO we talked about? Well, collectively, these businesses have already saved over $2 million in fees they would have otherwise paid to traditional CFOs or even bookkeepers. That is a massive, tangible impact right on their bottom line. And it's not just about the money. The users themselves, they love it. We're looking at a 95% customer satisfaction rate, and that shows that the platform isn't just powerful, it's also genuinely effective and easy to use. The people who use it are clearly getting value from it. Okay, let's be crystal clear about one last thing. This isn't just another bookkeeping tool. This is about making a huge leap beyond basic record keeping. Here is the fundamental difference. Think of basic tools as your rearview mirror. They're great for recording what already happened. They're reactive. Personal CFO, on the other hand, is like your GPS. It's looking at the road ahead. It's proactive. It's fully automated and delivers forward-looking, strategic intelligence to help you decide what to do next. So who is this really for? Well, it's designed for anyone who needs that financial clarity. Whether you're a small business owner, a freelancer or consultant, a growing startup trying to scale, or even an accountant who's managing a bunch of different clients, Personal CFO is built for you. Ultimately, it all comes down to this one powerful idea. Stop managing spreadsheets. Start managing your business. It's really about reclaiming your time and your focus and putting all that energy back where it belongs, on growing your company. So, after seeing the cost of doing things the old way and the incredible power of this new way, the only question left is your business ready for its own financial intelligence?